Hey guys, Isaac Matthews here at Nichols Marine Grand Lake. Today I'm standing on the all-new 2026 Chaparral GTS 3. This is Chaparral's 23-foot surf series. That includes the Malibu Surf Gates, a center ballast bag, and surf controls integrated into the Simrad. This boat is powered by a Mercury Cruiser 6'2", 300 horsepower. As you can see, it has this large sun pad area back here that has 3 different seating arrangements, or it can be laid flat to sunbathe the way it is. Right here you have a 17-gallon ice chest. In the cockpit you have blue LED lights all throughout the boat, snap-in sea deck. On the double captain's chairs you have bolster seating on both. Moving to the helm, large Simrad, like I said, your surf controls, all your gauges and things like that. Moving to the bow of the boat. Just like all of our Chaparrals, it has a much deeper bow than most of our competitors, and it also has this integrated stainless steel safety rail. You have an anchor locker up here as well. If you want to come see this boat in person, visit our Monkey Island store or give me a call at 918-676-6868.